Nation of Little Vampires starts right now.
Keep your eyes peeled. On Disney.
Yawn!
This is the one with like this person from Stuart Little. Are you fine so far?
Come on, motherfucker. Yawn already. Peanut yawn. Whoa. Oh, that scares the shit out of me.
Oh, so cool.
That's awesome. For a minute, he looked like a rattlesnake. Whoa. Don't yawn. It's gonna scare the shit out of me. Dude, hold it. I need to run away and scream. Scaring me. Taylor, really hold it.
No.
I've got to go bathroom. Taylor, hold it now. Hold it now. Hold it now. He scared the crap out of me. Stop dying. Hold it, you hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it. He's getting a certain position.
Oh my god. That was so funny. This is warm.
I'm not gonna be here tomorrow after school.
Why?
Because I'm going to Heather's.
Did you see that? Yes, he's about to yawn.
He's such a cute snake, but scary.
Yeah. That would scare the Jesus out of me. I'd look around like, oh my god! I'm on my bed, but there's water all around me! And there's this vampire coming at me! See, this is the person from Stuart Little. There's blood.
What, where?
Right here, look.
I know, I said, whoa.
There's some right there, too.
I know.
You have another nightmare. The vampires were back.
Oh, this is ridiculous. I've got to get some sleep.
Mom, do you like this place? It's a big change for you, I know.
Okay, we should stop recording. My arm's getting tired. Wait.
This is the last yawn.
Hear that?
Seems.
Or undead.
Yawn, Peanut, yawn. You're starting to bore me.
Zoe, if I don't get some sleep, then I'll be one of the undead.
I'm pausing it now.